If you're like me who exercises regularly and sometimes forgets their Apple Watch on the charging stand before working out, well, this video is for you on how to manually add a workout on your iPhone. And it's very unintuitive. You would think that you would just go straight into the fitness app, but actually you have to go into the Apple Health app. From here, look for the workouts tile. It might be present under your highlights. If not, an easy way to find it is to go to the pinned and edit, and then you just search for workouts, add it to your pinned, and then you can easily access it. From here, you just need to click the add data at the upper right to manually add the workout you want. Depending on the workout, you are able to enter distance or calories burned. And you want to be extra careful entering the correct data here, especially with the duration, because once you've entered it, although you can technically delete it from the health app, the fitness app, for whatever reason, will still retain that data, so you don't want to have inaccurate data if you made a mistake. But once you hit add, it will save it to your health data, and then if you scroll down from the workouts tile here, you can show all data to see what you manually entered, as well as all your past workouts, and from here you can also use the edit button to delete workouts. You can't actually modify them. But once your workout is saved, it should automatically sync to your Apple Watch so you can view it from there. Do notice that when you click on it, it's only going to show that limited data that you manually entered. And you can see here that they just averaged out my pace based on the duration that I had with the distance, and of course that wouldn't be completely accurate if I took breaks. Comparing it with a real swim workout, you can see that it recorded much more data, more accurate pacing. It also was able to record like the water temperature and also the air temperature that day, plus my heart rate. So it's always still better to have your Apple Watch record the workout data versus you manually adding it, but at least it's better than nothing. Hope that helped you out. If it did, please give this video a like, greatly appreciated, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.